Hi everyone, welcome to the Spring Garden series. In this series, I'm going to teach you how to grow organic vegetables starting from seed, how to water and care for your seedling indoors, and how to get them transplanted out in the garden all the way to harvesting. We're going to keep it quick, simple, and inexpensive. The countdown for spring is on. It's just about 7 weeks away. And I've been hearing from a lot of you that you're excitedly planning for your spring garden, shopping the CaliKim seed collections, dreaming and mapping out your garden beds, and you can't wait to get your hands in the soil. Now at the same time, I've been hearing from some of you that you're nervous, afraid you might kill your plants. What if it takes too much time? What if you can't keep it on your budget? Well, if you can relate to this, then you're in the right place. We've all felt that way at one time or another, so you're not alone. I'll be with you step by step, along with the community here. There's some wonderful gardeners that you can interact with in the comments. We're all supportive, and we're gonna have a lot of fun together. Here at CaliKim, my garden motto is quick, simple, and inexpensive. Over the next several weeks on the Spring Garden series, we're gonna have weekly videos. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified. You don't wanna miss a single video. Let's get started. For the Spring Garden series, our friend Joel has graciously agreed to help us out. Joel, thanks so much for being on here. I'm really excited to grow your garden with you.
You're welcome, and thank you for your help.
Tell us a little bit about your gardening experience. Are you a beginner, a seasoned gardener, or somewhere in between there?
No, I'm a beginner gardener. I feel like I'm a beginner. I'm learning, obviously.
Okay.
Doing a lot better than I did a few years ago. And I had a garden and I had to stop because I got into an accident and I had some health problems and stuff. But now I'm picking it back up again.
Oh, good.
So things are working out really well.
Tell me a little bit about why do you want to grow your own vegetables?
I just enjoy growing things. My earlier life's experience with plants is they always died. I killed many a plant.
I have too.
So, yeah, so I wanted to finally get over that. I wanted to grow my own stuff and prove to myself that I could do it.
Joel, I can totally relate to what you said about killing your plants because I have done that many of time. I still do that. And in fact, a lot of our viewers, one of my viewers, Rory, just mentioned yesterday that she's excited, nervous, and yet hopeful about her garden this year.
Right.
Can you relate to that at all?
Yeah, I'm all three of those. I'm nervous that I'm going to kill more plants, obviously. I'm worried that I'm not going to do the right thing, that I'm not going to water them enough, or feed them enough.
Now, Joel, share with us one of your gardening blunders.
I was on top of getting my seeds in early, and I tried the pea pods, which I think are great. I love those things, but I don't have any room inside my house, so I had to leave them outside. Well, the wind picked up, blew them off. I was able to save them, a couple times, and then finally the wind blew them off. My dog got into them.
No.
So I didn't take care of them. I should have.
Okay.
But I've experimented since then, and I've come up with a heavier pot that I can leave outside, but the wind won't blow over.
So we're going to be planting with my Spring Garden seed collection. There's 12 varieties in here, enough to get you started with the basic spring garden. We've got some tomatoes, some cucumbers, some peppers, some herbs, some lettuce. Now, if you've never grown with my seed collections, they are handy seed kits organized by growing season or type of vegetable. As a brand new gardener or a beginner gardener, you're not always sure what vegetables to grow.
And I have to say this is not solicited. For years, I thought, why doesn't somebody put the proper seeds in the proper packs for the proper growing seasons? And you've done it. And I was like, thank you.
We're also going to be growing step by step with the directions from my new book, Organic Gardening for Everyone, Homegrown Vegetables Made Easy. So not only can you watch the videos, but you can also pick up a copy of my book and have it all written down for you and take this out in the garden and you'll be good to go. So here you go, Joel. These are for you.
Thank you.
Spring garden right here.
I'm ready to go.
It's going to be a ton of fun.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Well, grab your Spring Garden seed collection and your copy of my book over at CaliKimGardenandHome.com. We're going to be here with Joel for the next 6 weeks, actually in your yard.
All right.
So you better get ready.
I know, I better get it cleaned up.
It's going to be a ton of fun. Comment below, let us know if you're in. This is going to be so much fun. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.